This is the ferry that takes you from Hong Kong to China. It's tiny. It's not easy to move around here. Welcome to the Hilton in Shenzhen, mainland China. What a day! Welcome to China. So we flew into Hong Kong, and this is a 30-minute ferry ride to mainland China. And the ferry actually took us really close. I can see it from the window. This is a really nice hotel. It's top notch, and they actually have VPN internet connection. So even though nothing works in mainland China, in the hotel Wi-Fi, you get everything. You can get Google, Facebook, whatever, Instagram, everything works. China is interesting so far. There's a lot of military police everywhere. Most of the taxis are electric. They're really cheap. It cost us $1.50 US to get to here from the ferry station. A funny story, it actually took us longer to get from Hong Kong to here than it took us to get from Mumbai to Hong Kong, because we had to wait 4 hours to get the ferry ticket. The line was super long. We stayed in line for an hour and a half to get to the ticket station. And then the only ferry that was available was 2 hours later, so we had to just kill time in no man's land, because we were before immigration, but you know, getting off the plane. So we technically haven't entered Hong Kong or China yet. And then so we took the ferry here, which was about 30 minutes, and then you go through immigration here, you get the stamp in your passport and everything. It was actually easier than I thought it would be. I mean, we had business visas, so I guess that's not a surprise, but actually it was tougher to get into India than it was to get to China. Heading out to dinner. We accidentally found one of Jeb's favorite restaurants in the city, and he got so excited we have to go back there and eat there for dinner. Like a rose.
This is the best part of this is the best part of the hotel, right?
Good morning, everybody. Today is our last day of our China trip. Still training, but it's a short day because in the afternoon we're going to Hong Kong. This time it's not going to be the ferry, we're going to take the train. Goodbye, very nice hotel room.